Okay, here we are cutting out the 1/2-inch marine plywood for the floorboard up at the front of the boat. Let's go try that and see if it fits. Alright, so now we're tracing out the flooring. We've got a pattern made from crafting sticks, hot glued together in place. Allows me to do a trace outline of the interior of the boat that I want to put the flooring in, including the notches for the legs. Now to get it over to the table saw and get this piece cut and see if it fits. So today, grinding out a little more of the bad fiberglass along the transom line here. Rotted, cracked, dirty. And got the craft sticks out to make the form for the transom. I knew this project was getting to me, but looks like early age gray hair has hit today. Okay, now we've got the crafting stick form laid out here for the transom. And getting the whole shape established so we can go and trace that onto the plywood. Get our first transom board cut out and see how it fits. Okay, so today we got the fuel fill hose installed, the vent hose in the back there coming up right here. That way when the flooring goes down, all of that stuff's in place. Sanded and gel coated the port side fish box. Nice coat of white gel coat makes it look so fresh and makes it smooth, so it'll be easy to wash all the fish guts and blood out of there. Okay, we have the fish boxes gel coated, pool noodles around the gas tank. Keep it secure but allow expansion, and we've got pipe insulation on top of the stringers. Give a little cushioning and seal between the deck and the stringers so they don't squeak in the future by rubbing fiberglass against fiberglass. Hope it works. So we got the front deck board screwed into place, peanut buttered around the edges, and fuel fill hose and the fuel vent hose coming up there. Once this dries into place, then we can fiberglass this whole panel and glass it up on the edges, tying it into the side of the hull and up there on the step going up to the casting deck. So now we have the first piece of decking here in the front tabbed in to the sides. First piece tabbed in up there to the casting deck. Need to get a little bit more in there, and it's tabbed in over on this side. 1708, 2 layers. Make a nice strong connection. We have success. Needed to do a little bit of a trim here on the edge just because it wouldn't go down into the place with the gunnels on the side. It was too wide, so had to take a couple inches off one edge, but when I fiberglass that in, no one will ever know. It'll be strong and hidden under the decking. Time to get this big sheet of fiberglass, sheet of plywood fiberglassed, and then also cut out the doors for the 2 fish boxes on the edges there. Between the blue lines will be the center console. Okay, just put a layer of chopped strand on the bottom side of the deck and laid a couple of 3/4 inch marine plywood strips 5 inches wide on either side of the fish boxes. That way the center console can screw into a more solid board rather than the 1/2 inch decking, and then the tower can also attach to that. Once the chopped strand is dried, we'll lay some cloth over this, including these strips for the reinforcement, and we'll glass that over one more time, and then it'll be ready to go inside the boat. Continuing the decking from the front one, now covering the gas tank completely and both fish boxes. And then we've got the doors for the fish boxes. We'll get those glassed after this big sheet is out of the way. Pretty slick little gizmo. We've got a pressure washer sandblaster. Tube goes up into the bag of sand, feeds down through the tube,